Hey guys, it's your boy Sag and welcome back to Sagi Games. For today, we're going to do my face reveal. I know it's a bit too early. Let me get sit on the bench real quick. I know it's a little bit too early to do a face reveal this early, but I'm actually really hyped on doing a face reveal about now because I'm actually struggling in gaming videos and I needed to do some challenges. It's one of my dreams. And then I realized that I can just do a face reveal this early. I didn't even notice we reached 22 subscribers. I know this is not much, but we gotta start somewhere. So, wait, hold on. Let's speed Nutella for a sec. La la la, Nutella, ta. Stand away, hangers. Okay, Nutella. Ah, there's the Nutella. There's the Nutella food. Running low. Running low on them. Okay, let's go. Eh, 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 eh. Hey Dave, thank you so much for subscribing and helping me throughout my channel. Gave me a cool channel banner. Hi! That's not Nutella, that's Oreo. That's Nutella. Hi Nutella. Hi. Oh no. Okay. Here's your food. I'm just kidding. Why would I do that to Nutella? Come here. There's the food. Okay. Let's open it up. How can I open it with one hand? No. We ran out of Nutella food. No. Oh, no, it's on him. Okay, bye Nutella. Oink. Okay, let's leave them alone. Back to the video. Let's go. La 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 la. This turned out to be a vlog so far. It's so funny. What the heck? Why did I throw Nutella the food? I'm so stupid. Eh. Open the container thing. Put the thing in there. Close the thing. I said close the thing. I said close the thing. Somebody message me. I'm gonna ignore that for a sec. I'll be I'll be right back. I need to answer that message. Okay, it finally came to this point. I must do my face reveal. So, I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna turn this camera around so there you go. This is my true form. I am a pitbull. Pitbull boy. It is me. It is me, the pitbull dog. It is me. It is me. I love you. I love you so much. Look at your ear. Oh god, it's so adorable. I know it's a canine, okay? Don't judge me. It's adorable. Okay, for reals this time. 3, 2, 1. They call me fish boy. 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 It's a miss fish. It's a miss fish boy. It's a fish boy. What? This Tampa wheel. That was good. I got interrupted by my mom. Okay, I'm just having fun with this camera. Lulu. I feel like a character in Outlast. Why am I going to the backyard? What's happening? Let's just do the face reveal here. Okay, no frogs. Okay. Let's just do the face reveal here. So, I'm gonna turn this camera around now. In 3, 2, 1. The recorder is not open this time. Hey guys, it's me, Sag. Hi. So, this is what I really look like. I hope you accept me who I am. But thank you for giving me 22 subscribers. I know it's not much, but once again, it's not much. Help me reach a million subscribers. I'll keep up the good work. Yeah. So, this is Sag, and I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe!